is our first time on a long road trip where we're charging at a supercharging station, and it's so easy to do. You just back up till you can get the cord, you plug it in, and then all of the charging information. Special guests today on our road trip. All of the charging information pulls up on the screen, how much it's going to cost you, how long it should take roughly to fully charge the car. Okay, so it is 1:30 and we have 132 miles left on our charge, so let's see how long it takes to charge it. What's great is that we kind of mapped it out. It's kind of like old school mapping, you know, before everyone had GPS on their phones and stuff like that. So we just looked up where we were going, we found a supercharge station that was about halfway down, and so we pulled over here to charge it, and we took the kids to the restroom, we went and got them some hot cocoa at the cutest little place in Colorado Springs, and now we're going to head out on our way. And what's nice is that a lot of parking garages have superchargers, so you can kind of escape the weather, and also at this garage in particular, it's free for your first hour, so even if you have to go in and you get a little parking piece of paper, it'll get validated when you leave so that you're not actually paying for parking if you're just here to charge your car, at least for the first hour. So that was kind of a nice little perk that we found. Okay, so we just finished supercharging and it is 2:47. So it took about an hour and 17 minutes to go from 132 miles of charge to 300 miles of charge. So pretty good time. You know, we just went and got some hot cocoa and hung out a little bit, and now we're ready to hit the road. So we decided to bring our wall charger from our house with us on this trip, even though when we came down we knew where a supercharging station was, so we could top off there before we got to our cabin. But what's really great is, you know, pretty much anywhere you go, if you're renting an Airbnb or a place like this, they have wall outlets somewhere, so it's not going to give you a ton of charge, but we were able to plug ours in both nights, and it was getting us about 5 miles for every hour that it was plugged in. And what that allowed us to do was yesterday we actually got to drive all around the area and see lots of really beautiful stuff, and we weren't stressing about, you know, making sure we could get back to a supercharging station to charge our car. So I feel like it really opened up our little weekend getaway a little bit more than we had initially planned. So what we're thinking about doing, I looked online, and to get another package with all of the Tesla stuff in it, the different adapters and the long cord, is about $300 online, and we're thinking about just buying another one so we can have the full set always in our trunk, and then we can just leave this at home, so that way no matter where we are we can have access to some kind of charging. So just a little pro tip. Alright, so we're walking back to the supercharging station, and what's crazy is that we had 96 miles at 12:42, and now it's 1:25 and we have almost 300 miles, so in less than an hour. And we're at the same charging station we came to a couple days ago, and it took a lot longer than that to charge, and there's even more cars here now charging than last time, so I'm not quite sure why, but I am pleasantly surprised. So we're gonna hit the road.